Bioinformatics in the Department of Pharmaceutical Chemistry, and now currently I am working as an assistant professor in the Department of Pharmaceutical Chemistry at Biology College of Pharmacy, Anantapur, Andhra Pradesh. Recently, I have attended the workshop conducted by the BDG Lifesciences. The name of the workshop is nothing but Immunoinformatics and Insilico vaccine design. And the main theme of this workshop is nothing but how the vaccine is going to be designing by applying the Insilico methods. And this workshop will give the more knowledge how the a vaccine is going to be designing by applying the Insilico methods. And I have gained the more knowledge how the vaccine is going to be designing by applying the Insilico methods. And this knowledge will be helpful for me to carry out my research work in future. And this in silico vaccine design will be helpful for the people who are having the background related to the pharmaceutical sciences, life sciences, and bioinformatics. While we are going to performing our research works on in silico vaccine design for a variety of diseases or a number of diseases, and we can represent our paper in a well reputed journals. And this workshop will be helpful to gain the knowledge related to the how a vaccine is going to be designing by applying the in silico tools or by in silico methods. And I am very thankful to the BDG Life Sciences and Monica ma'am who has been conducted this workshop in a very good manner. And I am once again thankful to Monica ma'am who has been cleared all my doubts during the workshop and after the workshop. And I am once again thankful to the BDG Life Sciences for conducting these types of nice online workshops which will provide the more knowledge to the people.
Hi, I'm Ria. I recently attended a workshop on NGS. It was really informative. We were introduced to several new web servers. Our tutor, Ms. Bharti, was very keen in clearing our doubts, and we were able to understand the concepts easily. Thank you, BDG, for giving me this opportunity.
Hi, I'm Meenakshi. I'm a biotechnology graduate from Karunya Institute of Technology Sciences, Coimbatore. So recently I have attended 7 days workshop on vaccine designing. So my trainer was Monica Maithra ma'am. So I learned a lot about vaccine designing. So the workshop objective was clearly mentioned and well achieved and explained. The workshop was very relevant to my future research as well as to my subject. The presentation style was very good and the slides were up to the point. The trainer was very experienced and she had cleared our doubts. The trainer can able to solve our difficult part of the subject into simpler terms. So it was a very good session. So I enjoyed the session. So I would like to thank Biodiscovery Group who given me this wonderful opportunity to attend this event. So once again, I thank you all.
Hi, this is Ankrita and I'm pursuing BSc Life Science from University of Delhi. I recently attended a workshop of molecular biology and genetic engineering in Insilico, and this was my first workshops with BDG Life Sciences, and the workshop was carried out by Monica ma'am, and she taught us really well, starting from how to retrieve the nucleotide sequence of the genes of our desires and how to convert these sequence into the proteins, and then finding the primary structure of the protein, secondary structure of the protein, and how to analyze our protein, if it's a good protein or a bad protein, all were covered in the workshop. Then my favorite part was homology modeling or molecular modeling, where ma'am taught us how to make our 3D structure of the protein which we desire, and both the techniques were shown automated and aligned system, and this was a really interesting part for me. Then she also taught how to make RNA primers. Then lastly she taught about how we have to do genetic manipulation of the genes and how to analyze them. And the entire workshop really helped me a lot, because these days we students could not participate in laboratory techniques. So as such, the such workshops help us to increase our knowledge of uh, these small tools in bioinformatics. And lastly, I would like to thank Monica ma'am for teaching us all the basic things we needed to learn. And lastly, thank you BTG Life Sciences for conducting this workshop. And I hope I would be a part of more workshops in the future. Thank you.
Hey everyone, this is Vaishnavi here. Currently, I'm pursuing my bachelor's in biotechnology from KIT University, Bhubaneswar. So recently, I attended a 7 days online training program on the topic vaccine designing and immunoinformatics. So this was one of the innovative topics that I came across online, but I was really dicey about how am I going to learn all of these in the online platform. But our trainer Monica Moitra ma'am, she made things so easy for us. She presented even the toughest things in the easiest possible manner. Our doubts were cleared then and there, and the best part is we never got bored. We got to learn a lot of new things about computational techniques and how these are used to develop vaccines. So that was really informative. Anyone who has the craze to learn about vaccines and get into bioinformatics should actually go for this training. Thank you so much, guys.